Hello viewer, if you can't search message on Google Message app, let's see how to fix message search option not working in Google Message app. Step 1. Tap and hold on Message app. Click on I button. Now scroll down. Go to App Permissions. From here, make sure you allow all app permission. Now go back. Now follow the second step. Force stop your Google Message app. Now go back. Now scroll down. Click on Storage. From the lower corner, clear cache data from Google Message app. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search Google Message app. From here, please update your Google Message app. So please follow this 3 steps to fix you can't search message on Google Message app.